Describe how the surface texture of an object affect its movement. Grade 3 Science, Quarter 3, Week 2, Day 2, Revised K-12 Curriculum. Lesson Language Practice. Let us learn the meaning of the following words. 1. Surface texture. How something feels when you touch it. It can be smooth, rough, soft, or hard. For example, a mirror has a smooth surface, but a stone has a rough surface texture. Number 2, rough. Something that feels bumpy, scratchy, or uneven when you touch it. For example, sandpaper or a rock might feel rough. 3. Smooth. Something that feels flat, soft, or not rough even when you touch it. For example, glass or a table surface might feel smooth. Hey kids, look at the picture. Which car will finish the race first? The yellow car will finish the race first. Number 2 question. Why do you think so? It is because the road is smooth and flat as compared to the second road, which is rough and full of rocks. Hey kids, let's watch this video. What can you say about the movement of the people or objects on an ice rink? The people or objects on the ice rink are sliding smoothly and they move fast. It's easy to move on the ice because it's smooth. The smooth surface of the ice rink allows objects to glide and move easily. Objects with smooth surfaces allow them to move easily. Why are there rumble strips on highways? What are they for? Rumble strips are special rough patches on highways designed to help keep drivers safe. They are usually placed along the edges of the road or in the middle and have grooves or raised bumps that create a loud noise and vibration when a car drives over them. Their main purpose is to alert drivers to stay focused or steer back onto the road. Though rumble strips are not designed to slow down a car, the rough texture causes the car to shake and make a loud noise. This often makes drivers instinctively slow down to regain control or assess their position on the road. Remember, the surface texture of the object affects its movement. An object moves more easily or faster on a smooth surface than on a rough surface. Number 1. A ball rolls faster on a smooth floor than on a rough rug because the smooth floor is A. Stops the ball quickly, B. Lets the ball roll easily, or C. Makes the ball heavier. Number 2. When you slide a toy car on sandpaper, it moves slowly because the sandpaper is A. Rough, B. Smooth, or C. Wet. Number 3. Which surface will make a marble roll the farthest? A. Rough concrete, B. Smooth tile, C. Carpet. Number 4. If you want a toy car to move slowly, you should place it on A. Blank surface, A. Smooth, B. Slippery, C. Rough. Number 5. Why does a ball stop quickly when rolling on grass? A. The grass is smooth, B. The grass is rough and slows it down. C. The ball is too light. Here are the answers. 1. A ball rolls faster on a smooth floor than on a tough road because the smooth floor is B. Let the ball roll easily. Number 2. When you slide a toy car on sandpaper, it moves slowly because the sandpaper is A. Rough. 3. Which surface will make a marble roll the farthest? B. Smooth tile. 4. If you want a toy car to move slowly, you should place it on a blank surface. C. Rough. 5. Why does a ball stop quickly when rolling on grass? B. The grass is rough and slows it down.